going to go ahead and start with shingles for today. And the shingles can be done in a bunch of different ways, but I'm going to show you like the most common way. And if you actually went out and looked at a house, how many different tabs there were on the shingles, you would have so many lines on this that it would make it really hard to see it. So just for the sake of showing you guys, I'm going to make some marks that are pretty close to the same distance apart to put shingles on. You can see most of this, and it's fairly the same distance away, so I'm going to keep that, like I said, consistent as far as apart. And then, because it's the right-hand side of the structure, not the entire two buildings, but the right-hand side of the right-hand building, or left-hand building, I'm going to go to the right-hand vanishing point. So, line up the point and the vanishing point and pull it down, and I'm going to go to where I divided my roof from the garage as my stopping point. So one thing we want to note here is that our lines are actually getting closer together, and they should be relatively consistent at that intersection as well. So go from the point on that leading roof edge, and then go back to your vanishing point. So it's actually going to get a little bit smaller here. Okay, that same amount of number is going to end up being smaller than here. Okay, when you do that, you go to your vanishing point. All right, and then we will do the other side, and so it stays consistent. We're going to run left-hand vanishing point through that intersection shingle line, and we'll go on our garage roof. Does every garage house match shingles? Probably not, but the ones that are built properly definitely do. So in this case, we've got the same amount of lines on both. They are wider on the front of the garage than they are at where they intersected. And then I'm going to put the last detail on the roof, and then I'm going to move around and just see if everyone's doing okay. So to make our finish our shingle tab, we want to match the angle that is on our rooftop. So a good way to start is use your ruler. I'm going to go my first one, skip one, skip one. Kind of break that in half. Again, I want to use that same sort of angle. To give me the look of the shingles that I want. Just remember, when you get to the end, your shingles should be smaller. But you want to match that angle. And if we were totally realistic, we would probably have so many lines that you wouldn't hardly be able to even see any of this detail. So just the best you can. Okay, note, again, large shingles to small shingles. This side, you'll do it the same way, but you're going to file the angle from the roof on the opposite side. Like that.